You can't imagine how much we miss you, and our number one priority as we reopen is providing you the safest and cleanest club that you need for your fitness journey. We all know that social distancing is key, and our clubs are big and really spacious, so we can ensure you have enough space for your workout. And we're checking the temperatures of everyone who comes in to help keep you safe. We have invested in new, safe, sustainable, and medical-grade cleaning technology, including weekly high-tech triatomic oxygen gas shock treatments to destroy odors and kill all pathogens, even in the hidden spaces where traditional sanitizing agents can never penetrate. Using this activated oxygen gas when the club is closed creates a level of deep cleaning that borders on sterilization in all of the hard-to-reach areas where liquids cannot hope to penetrate. In addition to this, each member is handed their own bottle of personal medical-grade sanitizer each and every time they train. Finally, we're applying an atomic copper-based virus and pathogen-continuing germ inhibitor using state-of-the-art electrostatic foggers. This groundbreaking technology works 24/7 to inhibit or destroy germs and viruses like coronavirus. This approach takes the building to extremely sanitized levels weekly while continuously preventing pathogens on the equipment and surfaces in the club around the clock, creating the safe space you need. You know, for us, cleanliness has always been a priority, and we take great pride in how clean our clubs are. But in this unique time, an extra level of attention has been given to our cleaning process. We are all in a cleaning force, continuously cleaning throughout the day with medical-grade disinfectant in the high-touch and high-traffic areas, and the aforementioned electrostatic cleaning for deep cleaning all around the club. We significantly increased the number of sanitizing bottles, so each member has their own, and we are fully stocked up on hand sanitizers around the club. So please, wash your hands, wipe down the equipment, and use a face mask when possible. We're all practicing social distancing and encourage you to keep your distance from others while working out safely throughout the club. In the cardio area, you'll notice every other machine is available for your use to allow for extra space during your workout. And we have increased space between workout stations, strength equipment, and in the group fitness studios. We know you're excited to get back to your classes, and you'll find decals on the studio floors, so you'll know where to place your equipment for proper spacing, and our friendly instructors will ensure that you're comfortable and have enough space around you. We're here to help. We know how important exercise is to boosting your immunity, reducing stress, keeping you strong, and we're committed to delivering the ultimate fitness experience to every member, every time. We can't wait to see you back at the club. At our clubs, we go the extra mile, so you can rest assured of a safe, healthy workout.